Hey, it's the Flipbit guy here. I'm with Adam, who's Vice President of Sales and Business Development. This is a huge day for Turnix Tools. It's April the 4th, 2024. And the reason that we're here today is inside these boxes are actual ULT screwdrivers. This is English. This is our French version. It's been an incredible 3-year journey to take the ULT screwdriver from a paper concept to a physical screwdriver. And so we wanted to speak with you today to show you and tell you how excited we are to have you part of this unveiling. And we are going to unveil these two boxes. We haven't even seen what's inside these boxes, but we want to share it with you. Before Adam and myself open up these boxes to see what's inside, I think it's important to share with you the team behind the scenes that is just as important as what's inside these boxes. Because without them, this would not have happened. Come on guys, come on in, right? So the first lady that you're gonna see is Blessy.
Hi.
Blessy is our Vice President of Operations, but she also is the workhorse behind the retail packaging of the screwdriver. And Blessy, I wanted to thank you for that. Thank you so much. Right?
Thanks.
Right. The next person we have is Ben. Ben is our financial controller, and of course, without the money, this wouldn't be possible. Thank you so much for all your contributions. Right. Natalie. Natalie is our office administrator lady, and she's a busy lady. Without Natalie's help every day, 5 days a week, this would not be possible. Natalie, thank you so much. Right. The last person I'm going to introduce is Eugene, and Eugene had a huge hand. The reason there's a bit of a pun going on there is when you open up the packaging, there's a little instruction sheet in there. Well, this is the hands guy. He's also a part of the financial team, but Eugene, thanks very much for your contributions too. All right. And the last guy again is Adam, who's my son. Yeah, quite the journey. Our journey started with a couple sizes of flip bits, and in 3 years, Turnix Tools has the world's largest selection of impact-rated power bits in various combinations and lengths. Nobody else has what we have. We have square, Phillips, star drive, we have the posi drive, we have hex, and we have slot. And we brought all these combinations together, and we individually or uniquely color-coded each of the tips of our bits to make them unique. Now, Turnix Tools, the world's largest supplier of impact-rated power bits. That being said, it's time to open up the boxes. And so what I'm going to ask Adam to do is to open up this box and pull out the first English turnkey package that's ready to go. Then I'll open up the French version. These have tremendous significance and will be part of the Turnix Tools legacy, and they will remain part of our history. Now's the moment. Hey Adam, on the count of 3. 3, 2, 1. Open! There you go. Cheers. All right.